Hello and welcome to Victor Isebo Reviews. In this video, we'll be talking about mobile phone safety and ways to keep your phone safe and away from hackers. You will learn 7 ways to know if your phone has been hacked. I will also share with you 2 USSD codes to help check for diversions of calls, texts, data, and info, and also phone numbers these diversions are redirected to. I will also share with you a code that helps to track and retrieve your phone in case you misplace it or it gets stolen. I'll share with you a code to help remove any diversions of calls, texts, and data from your phone. I'll also share with you 6 safety tips to keep your phone safe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. How do you know if your phone has been hacked? Here are 7 ways to find out. Number 1. New applications show up on your phone. Malicious applications that are meant to monitor your phone need to be directly installed on your device. That is how they monitor all your activities. So if you see any application with a strange name on your phone that you do not recognize or does not look familiar, that's a warning sign that your phone activities may be monitored. Number 2 way to know if your phone has been hacked is when you have rapid battery loss. Now, you're familiar with the longevity rate of your phone battery when fully charged. Now, if you notice that your phone battery runs down faster than usual and that your phone gets to lag very often, working slowly, then there's a likelihood that a malware is continually running in the background of your phone, even when it seemingly appears that your phone is at rest. Number 3. Strange text messages. Are your friends and associates receiving SMS, social media messages from you that you did not send? That's a way to know that you are not the only one using your mobile phone. Number 4. Increase in data consumption. If your data usage has become excessive and your data, which used to last you, say, 1 month, is beginning to finish up in a matter of few days, it means you're not the only one consuming your data. So, check it out. Number 5. Pop-ups, despite you having ad blockers installed on your phone. When you have strange pop-ups attempting to phish information, then maybe there is a malware that is pushing those pop-ups to your phone as a means of extorting information from you in an attempt to make you click on those links so that your phone can be compromised. Number 6. Blocked emails. If your emails never reach their destination. It may indicate that your email configuration has been transferred to an unauthorized server. Number 7, data breaches. If your sensitive information or passwords or private messages are leaked or compromised, it's a sign of your phone being hacked. So I'll proceed to share with you a few codes that allow you to know if your calls, messages, and data are being forwarded to another number. The code will display the status of the different diversions existing on your number right on your screen. The first one is *#21#. This code helps you review if your calls or text messages are being tapped. Now, when you dial *#21#, it will display the status of the various types of diversions along with the number that your data is being diverted to. Everything on your display should be disabled. If anyone is enabled, do not panic. Later on, I'll reveal to you a code that will help remove all such diversions. The second USSD code is *#62#. If it appears that nobody can reach you, all your calls are not coming in and people are complaining, use this code to find out where your calls, messages, and data are being redirected to. Now, everything is supposed to appear as disabled, and disabled. But if anyone is enabled, then you will be needing the next code. ##002#. Now, if anything is enabled on your phone, any form of diversions, after using the first two codes that I shared, and you find out that some diversions are enabled on your phone, this code ##002# will remove and switch off all forms of diversions on your phone. Now, the final code I'm going to share with you is *#06#. Now, this code reveals the IMEI number of your phone. IMEI is the International Mobile Equipment Identifier. If you know your IMEI number, you can find your phone if it gets missing or stolen. When the phone is on, the location is automatically conveyed to the network provider or operator. That way you can track and retrieve your stolen or missing phone. Just dial *#06#, then your IMEI number will be revealed to you. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. So I'll proceed to share with you 6 safety precautions you need to take on your mobile phones. Precaution number 1: safeguard or password your phone. It doesn't matter what your friends and associates or your spouse thinks. You need to lock your phone with a password known to only you. Why? Spy apps need to be downloaded and installed on your phone to enable the hacker to monitor your information and compromise all your data, which means that the hacker needs to have access to your phone to do that. Now, if your phone is passworded and locked with a code known to only you, that is a vital safety precaution you have taken that will prevent the hacker from having access to your phone, which will prevent such downloads and installations of such malicious spywares on your phone. Safety precaution number 2: every now and then, go through your phones and check for unfamiliar applications that were not installed by you. That's how to know if there are weird or strange applications on your phone that could potentially be spywares compromising your data and information. Precaution number 3. Install a powerful mobile security app on your phone and make sure that you run it periodically to scan your phone for threats. Precaution number 4. Make sure that you do not visit websites that do not have S behind the HTTP. Do not visit HTTP websites. Make sure that you visit only HTTPS websites. The S at the back of the HTTP signifies secure, meaning the website is secure. And HTTP sites without the S, your information and data could be easily compromised. Be careful also of links shared or sent to you. They might be phishing links, so be mindful also not to download applications from unfamiliar and suspicious sources. When you're downloading applications from unfamiliar and suspicious sources, many times your phone security tells you that this application is from an unauthorized or a suspicious source. Do you want to install anyways? Many times, if we need the application so much, we click on yes, go ahead and install in spite of the warning. That is a habit we need to discontinue because we are compromising the security and safety of our phones. Precaution number 5. Create long and complex passwords on any applications or websites that you use. Also, enable two-factor authentication. Okay, so make sure that your passwords are cumbersome, not easy to guess, and also have an extra layer of security by facilitating two-factor authentication on your phone. Now, when people try to compromise your data and they don't know the password, the thing they do is they click on forgot password. Now, when you click on forgot password, they start asking you security questions. So when you're setting up your security questions, make sure that you are not telling the truth as answers to those security questions. Let me give you an example. If the security question is, what is the name of your first child? And if your first child's name is Thelma, give Sandra as an answer. If they ask, what city were you born in? If you were born in Lagos, give Port Harcourt or New York as an answer. So why are you lying in your response to these security questions? Well, the reason is that majority of the people who try to hack your device are people who know you personally and who would know all this information about you already. So they know the name of your first child, they know the city you were born in, and they will be able to answer the security questions, and they will be given access to vital information about you. Okay, so tip number 6, keep your Bluetooth on only when you are using it. Okay, don't keep your Bluetooth on while you are asleep all day. Even when you're done with the activity, you keep your Bluetooth on. Your phone can be hacked through your Bluetooth. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, share this video with everybody who has a mobile phone. But who doesn't have a mobile phone these days? That means you need to share it with everybody. Give the video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibo, signing out. Bye for now.